how to enable or disable text messages Magic Compose on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen and then open up the text messages app. From here, tap on the profile icon at the top. Then we scroll down and tap on Messages Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Suggestions and Actions. From here, we go down and tap on Magic Compose. Tap on the toggle button to disable or enable this feature. So here's a Get Draft Suggestions and Rewritten Draft Suggestions. So if you go back to your text conversation, here, if you write a small text message in this text box, now before you send, you can tap on the Add button and then use Magic Compose to see if you can get a better version of your current text. So you can choose Professional, shorten the text. So if you have a very long text, it can shorten the text. Or you can rephrase it. You can choose Friendly, Style, or Elaborate to make it longer. So here, Elaborate will make your text longer. Okay, so after that, you can tap on one of the suggested option, and it will replace your original text. And then you can tap on the send button to send it to the recipient. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.